Hey friends, it's Chef Wainaina here. This beef back ribs recipe is very easy to make at home and just very few ingredients to work with. This is one of these dishes that you can do on any day of the week and you and your family will definitely enjoy. So let's start prepping for this dish. Into this wok style pan, add olive oil or any oil of your choice, a good amount. Once the pan is very hot, start searing these ribs. Seems like I'll have to do this in double batch. Once they have some nice color, just flip them and have them brown on the other side. Once you are satisfied with their color, just remove them and do the other batch. Into the same oil, add the rest of these beef back ribs. It will make a very delicious meal. All the ribs are seared here. Just remove them. Into this hot oil, add the onions and the scallions. Just want to slightly just sweat these and then remove them. We will use them to finish the dish. Just remove the rawness. That's it. These look good to me. Just remove them. Now into the pan, add some more oil. Then add ginger, garlic. Just slightly sweat these. Add 2 bay leaves. All ingredients will be in the description box as always. Add some cumin, some coriander, some red chili flakes. Just for a slight kick, toast these just for a second. Also, straight away return the beef ribs together with all the accumulated juices. Yeah, looking good already. Add Worcestershire sauce. Some soy sauce. This will give it very nice deep color. Rice wine vinegar for the sweet and sour effect. Some honey for sweetness. Give this a good stir. some water. You want to bring the water just to barely cover the ribs. Bring to a boil. Cover, cook for about an hour and a half or until the ribs are almost falling apart. These ribs are almost there now. Add attached tomato paste. This should just give it some nice color. Lay it back and continue cooking. Now these beef ribs have been cooking here for over an hour. As you can notice, they are already starting to pull away from the bones. A very good indication that they are getting close to being done. To turn the heat just slightly up and then just reduce some of these sauce. We are looking to glaze them at the end. So we'll cook them for about 15 minutes or so with the lid off. So this sauce is so reduced, it's actually getting to a point of breaking. So I'm going to reduce the heat all the way to the lowest setting. Add back the onions and just rewarm them, and this dish is basically done. Ready to go to the table. Our beef back ribs with onions. Serve this family style. Can't wait to enjoy this. So onto a platter. Drizzle with the sauce, and there you have it. Just some green onions on top to finish this dish. But certainly, if you are like me, this dish calls for ugali and sukuma wiki that I have here ready. Check out on my channel on how to make sukuma wiki or collard greens and ugali. I have very nice recipes for that. So some of this beef. And there you have it, friends. One other way of serving this fabulous dish with ugali and sukuma wiki. A Kenyan style. Now all is left for me is just to enjoy this deliciousness. Get one of these ribs here, give it a bite. Oh, it's so good. Some of the collard greens or sukuma wiki in Swahili. Get a bite. Wow. So friends, there you